felt pretty frightened.
His friend's dad followed the man, Kevin Schlenker.
No, we don't need to do this right now.
Before, Schlenker was arrested by Hillsborough deputies.
How was that even bothering you? That make you feel tough? You feel like a tough guy?
If I catch you out here again, I'm gonna punch your lights out.
What? Ain't no way. Let's go help this kid. So this is a Bluetooth headset. So some of our headphones, studio headphones, and also a Bluetooth speaker for you. So if you want to listen to your music, you can do that. Whatever, you're just out hanging out or whatever you can do, you can use that. So anyway,
what you thinking over here, man?
Probably thinking this.
Don't be scared to grab a couple, man. I'm sure.
yeah, man.
Just trying to get some options for what I might. Since I like have the cork on them, they have like really good grip.
Christian, is this everything you need, bro, or more than you need?
Definitely more than I need.
Hell yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah. All right, got our boy taken care of with all kinds of goodies here.
Why are we here?
I saw this story of what happened to him. So I was like, man, that's very unfortunate. I don't want somebody to be scarred by something like that for their lifetime. So I'm like, how can I make this a more positive experience? So I decided to look them up, got in touch with them, and like 48 hours, I flew over here to Florida and took him shopping for all new, I almost said car audio stuff, all new fishing stuff. Got 2 rods, tons of lures, and it should be good to go on like getting some good fishing in. And I have to say, he was very modest at like when we were like, yeah, get whatever you want, man. And he's like just taking his time looking at the different rods and everything. And I'm like, I'm expecting him to like throw stuff in there, and we're trying to like motivate him to, but he wouldn't do that. So I'm like, it shows how good of a kid he is, and
Very
he's got
modest.
good character and morals. So that's great job raising him. So that's very awesome. But that's why I came down. I wanted to turn this into a positive experience for him.
Christian, you deserve it, buddy.
Thank you.
So, why did you choose some of the stuff that you did?
And I like what I've used and my friends have used, and like cotton from this type of stuff, like really good for my tackle box.
Nice.
And yeah, and a lot of it he didn't even pick. We just started throwing stuff in there or whatever. So that's how it turned into what it is. But loved the experience. Loved that we were able to meet them, and it was definitely a pleasure getting to meet this family. And loved that we turned it into a positive thing. So if you can make somebody's day or turn it into a positive day, then why not? So go out there and do that.
How does it feel to just receive random generosity like this?
I think it feels very good, and like kind of like restoring like from like what has happened basically with someone like throwing my stuff into water. Like it kind of like makes me feel a lot better, like that there's like it's not just like horrible people like doing that stuff to like people all day, every day pretty much.
Amen, brother.
Yeah, like I said, if you can be positive in somebody's life and help to make somebody's situation better, go out there and do that. So I'm glad we were able to do it for Christian here, and I look forward to seeing some pictures from him and some videos of him using his new gear right here.
Good
and
vibes, man.
Pulling in some big uns.
Yes, sir.